Just had a test in Sachsenring. Arrived here last night. Unpacking a bit of our stuff. Not too many people here. Just us mainly. Yeah. They've got this cool matte black Civic out the front. And it's actually vinyl wrap matte black. You can tell by these stickers. Here. And here. Yeah. Charlie! That's the back of the truck. We haven't packed too much because we're going to go in the next box tomorrow, so let's take a few things out. Charlie's fixing his bike. What's going on?
Setting up, testing.
Just setting up for the test. Getting all the stuff, unpacking everything out of our box. He fits all this, Heath puts all of this inside here. It's a Tetris, I know. That's a little Charlie. The Charlie. Mark's working on the bike. I should be helping him, but I'm going to record it. Taking it all apart. We're going to strip this down to nothing tonight, clean it up, get everything all ready. It's pretty dirty after the race in Silverstone. The colour of the water. It's not clean. It's dirty. There's a bit of rust. A lot of rust. Where it touches heel. Yeah, really dirty, really dirty. Need to clean them. Straight after the race, we just threw it in the truck. Clean all this stuff up. Yeah. Sachsenring and guys riding outside. The learning day. Track day. That's about it. Box the message, the other guys haven't arrived, Dan's bike's still wrapped up. That's basically it. Hey, alright guys, see you later.